frozen windmill. Mark is up there shoveling as we speak. Hey, are we nuts or what?
I sent Rob a note, said crazy market ride. Bring a camera.
I got cameras. I got full coverage. Oh, we're nuts. Whoa, hey, whoa, hey. Proof that we do our volunteer work, right, Mark? Damn it. Like the knuckleheads we are. And snowboarding. Well, what do you think, Mara?
Cross our fingers.
That sucker is stuck up there good.
Yep.
It's starting to bend that back. We're gonna probably have to beat that back.
It is the snowstorm of 2011, and there is our neighbor Kevin with his giant snowblower helping dig out our pathway, and there's Raj with the smaller snowblower working on the driveway. Oh my gosh. Yeah, nobody's going anywhere today, so I'm not, unless you have a giant truck or SUV, because the street is crazy. More to come, I'm sure.
What's going on there, Wade? So much for global warming, huh?
Yeah, right.
Down, through the blizzard. The porch of ill repute. Much snow. And this is the kind of fun we got to look forward to.
There's Raj on the back porch getting ready to shovel the snow off of it so it doesn't collapse, I guess. Pretty darn deep. Hi, Raj. Did you notice that it's like 2 outside? Wow, look at this.